In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of setting up your Facebook business page from scratch. We will cover everything from choosing the right category and adding your essential business information. Are you ready to unlock the power of Facebook for your business? Then stick around and let's get started on creating your amazing Facebook business page. Okay, so what we'll do is head over to our Facebook page. And if you are to create your own Facebook business page, you head over to your personal Facebook page and click on this icon here called menu. And once you click on it, look for this full page. And once you see the page, you click on it and it takes you to create a page. So we are now going to create a business page. This is where you put the name of your page. I am going to name mine Maven Business, Maven Travels. Please, this is just a sample business page we are creating. So yes, and here I'm going to put the categories, the category of this business page, which is travel, a list of options to come. So I'm going to click on this travel company. I'll still put another category. I'm going to click on travel agency. You can put more than 2 or 3, depends on if you see the options there. I'll click on travel service. So I think that is fine. And you can decide to put your bio. I'll just write something quickly, quick. Um, we are a travel company based in Nigeria. So once I do this, I'll click on create page. So now it brings us to this place. So if you have a website, you can put your website link, but I do not have a website yet. So I'm going to put my phone number. If you have a phone number already, you can include one here. But for now, I'm not going to put a phone number. If you have your email address, you can include one here. And I don't want to put a phone number. Give me this error message. So you can put all your details here. And if you do not want to, you can just click on next. So I just included my address and all that and other details, and I will click on next. Oh, okay, it's asking me to include my phone number. Okay, so we'll just look for a phone number. Yeah. And you can decide to put your hours. You can do this later once your page is fully functional. So let's go to next. And I'm going to include my profile picture. I created this logo from Canva. If you need help creating your own logo, please you can tell me that in the comment section and I'll do a tutorial on that. And I'm going to include my cover photo too, which was also created on Canva. You can adjust your photo if you do not like how it is, but I think this is fine. And once I'm done with this, I'll click on next. So it's asking for me to create connect my WhatsApp to the page. I cannot do that for now. I'm just going to click on skip. You can also do that if you do not have a WhatsApp number connected that you can connect to the page. So you can just click on skip, and it's asking for you to for me to invite my friends. I do not want to do that right now. I will click on next, and here says you see two options, previous or done. So I'm going to click on done. And yeah, we have our our new Facebook page, our new Facebook page. And if you need to start customizing, you can customize from here. You can go to your Meta Business Suite and start from there. You can create and post your content or schedule posts. Okay, and you can also from here you can also let's just check the settings. So from here you can customize your Facebook business page. Here you say you can change it to dark mode if you want to. uh, Here you can set up your Facebook business page. And if you want to link your account, your Facebook business page to your Instagram or your WhatsApp, you can do it from here. And this will be in another video. I hope this short video, this short tutorial was helpful. If you if this video was helpful, please click um, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.